So the question says which ordered pair x comma y is the solution to the given system of equation. Basically what we are required to find is the value of x and what y in this given equation. So we can take this as equation 1 and we take this as equation 2. So for us to find the value of x, we first eliminate y, right? And this is a combination of a quadratic equation and linear equation. I mean quadratic function and linear function. So we substitute equation 2 in equation 1 to eliminate y. Then we can now find the value of x later from either equation 1 or equation 2. So substituting equation 2 in equation 1 implies that wherever you see y in equation 1, we replace it with 6x minus 12. So we are going to be having 6x minus 12 will now be equal to x minus 2 into bracket x plus what, 4. Alright, so this will return 6x minus 12 will be equal to, let's open this bracket, this will give us what, x into bracket x plus 4, then minus 2 into bracket x plus what, 4. So we now have a 6x minus 12 will be x times x, that is x squared, x times 4, that is plus 4x, right? Minus 2 times x, that's minus 2x, then minus 2 times 4, that is what, minus what, 8. So at the end of it, we are going to be having 6x minus 12 will now be equal to what, x squared plus 4x minus 2x will give us plus 2x minus 8. Okay, so let's rearrange this. We now have what, we can say x squared plus 2x minus what, 8. Then 6x is coming here will be what, minus what, 6x minus 12 is coming here will be what, plus what, 12. Everything will now be equal to 0. Or let me put it this way, basically what I did there, in case you didn't get it, is I want to move all these terms to this side. So the only thing that will remain here will be 0. What I'm saying, this will now give us what, it's like saying 0 will be what, x squared plus 2x minus 8. So 6x is coming here, that will be what, minus 6x, because it is plus 6 here, and when it crosses the equality sign it becomes minus. Then this is minus 12, when it crosses the equality sign it becomes plus, so plus 12. So basically we now have 0 will now be x squared. So let me collect like times, plus 2x minus 6x will give us minus 4x, then minus 8 plus 12, that will be what, plus 4. So basically the new quadratic equation will now be what, x squared minus 4x, right, plus 4 is equal to 0. Instead of writing 0, I can bring this 0 here, it's still the same thing. It's just like saying a is equal to 0, 0 is also equal to what, a. So having gotten that, then we now have a quadratic equation. So we need to decompose it. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So if we decompose this, the coefficient of x squared here is 1. So 1 times 4, which is the last term, that is 4. So we are looking for two terms such that when you add the two terms together, it's going to give you minus 4. And when you multiply them together, it will give you what, 4. And those are minus 2 and minus what, 2, right? Because minus 2 will give minus 4, and minus 2 times minus 2 will give us 4. So we replace it here. So we now have what, x squared minus 2x minus what, 2x, right, plus 4 is equal to 0. So let's decompose this. So if we decompose this, we have what, x into bracket x, right, minus 2. Then okay, x minus 2 will return here again, right, because of this correct decomposition, mean that whatever you have inside bracket here will also return here. All right, so what are we going to be having outside again? That is minus 2 is got to what, 0. So at the end of it, x minus 2 is here, x minus 2 here, so we have x minus 2, right, into bracket x minus 2 is got to what, 0. So x minus 2 is got to 0, and what, x minus 2 is got to 0. So x will now be what, 0 plus 2, and also x is got to what, 0 plus 2. Basically this is a single solution quadratic. So x is got to what, 2, and what, and x is got to what, 2. So we can say that x is got to what, 2 twice, right? So that's a single solution quadratic. So we have gotten one of the what, ordered pair, which is x is got to 2. So So we are going to be looking for the value of y2. So we look for the value of y. How do we get the value of y? We substitute the value of x in equation 2. That is easier instead of going back to equation 1. And we have y is equal to 6x minus 12. So let me use the upper part. So since x is equal to what? 2, we can say that y is equal to what? 6 into bracket 2 minus 12. So 6 times 2, that is 12 minus 12. That gives us 0. So that means that when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. So the other pair is x comma y, which is equal to what? 2 comma what? 0. So the correct answer to this problem is 2 comma 0, which is what? Option C. All right, I want to believe this video has helped someone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.